Gemini, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So, new moon reading, January 18. Meron pong new moon, January 18. Ang message niya is about long-term goal. Long-term goal, taking responsibility, kung ano po yung mga decision natin in the past na nakapagpasaya sa atin or we wasn't able to achieve yung happiness na hinahanap natin, we need to we need to take ownership. Yes, we take responsibility po. And preparing for new growth at opportunities na darating. Yes, so again, drawing board po. Drawing board, Gemini. It's always about intention at saka you work for it. Yeah? Walang bumabagsak na pera sa langit. Pinagtatrabahuhan. Yes? Okay. So, Gemini, January 18, new moon, what you need to know. Ano ang message sa'yo? Ano ang message sa Gemini, twin, air sign, mga sociable people? Yeah? Give me one card. Give me one card. Gemini. Yeah? Okay. Nag-iisip. Gemini, twin, kung ano yung nararamdaman noong kakambal, nararamdaman ng isa. Nagwe-way, nagbabalanse, nag-iisip. Okay? Kailangan mo ba ng new perspective o nagpaplano ka for new beginning for 2026? Tignan natin. Opportunities ang hinahanap mo? Hanapin natin yan. Preparation for long-term goal? Paghandaan, Gemini. Okay. Ituloy po natin. So, welcome po. Shout out po ako sa mga fellow OFW. Ingat po tayo. Okay. Tuloy natin. January 18, Gemini, new moon, what you need to know. What you need to know. Gemini. What you need to know, Gemini, January 18. Give me one card. 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 One card. Give me one card. One card, Gemini. Blind spot. Okay. Are you dealing with Libra? Okay? Kung yung inahanap mo ay respeto, pagmamahal, equal fair, equality, balanse sa buhay, towards January 18, isulat mo sa drawing board. Yeah? Bakit? Kasi makukuha mo siya. Okay. But take responsibility kung ano yan. Okay? Take responsibility. Nag-iisip ka, nagpaplano, pero ayaw mong gumalaw. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. Gemini. New moon message. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. Gemini. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. One more blind spot, Gemini. General reading po, kung makaresonate, shout out po, fellow OFWA. Oops, okay. Yeah, okay. Ready ka na ba? Yes. Nagbabalanse ka? Maaring yung decision mo, binabalanse mo dito. Okay. Hindi mo alam kung pupunta ka ron kasi meron kang hinintay na desisyon, kulang pa yung informasyon na hinahanap mo. Kung related po yan sa relationship na you want to expand yung relationship to the next level, nag-ano ka pa rin, nag-indecisive ka, okay? Merong indecision ka dito. Meron kang indecision if you're dealing with Libra, meron kang Libra sa placement, hinihintay mo siyang, okay, air sign ka. Libra is also air sign. Yung headspace nyo, madalas naglalaro. Okay? Sigurista ka rin. That's one personality ni ano. Mas kinasabihin mo kay Gemini na ano bang classic simple example. Okay. Okay, merong online na ano na binebenta. Kailangan mo ng sampayan. Tapos, sabi sa'yo, ang advice sa'yo, sige, bilhin mo itong sampayan na ito kasi simple lang ito. Itatayo mo lang siya, i-install mo lang siya, pwede mo lang isampay. Yes? Okay. Pero iba yung bibili ni Gemini. Ang bibili ni Gemini, yung retractable na sampayan na kailangan mo pang i-drill sa wall para mas maganda. Okay? Hindi minsan kumukuha si Gemini ng opinion pero gagawin niya pa rin yung desisyon niya. Sampayan, yes, bumili lang ng sampayan. Yes, yung sabi nung advice sa'yo ng Queen of Swords, bilhin mo Gemini yung simpleng sampayan na may 2 paa at merong isang lalagyan ng hanger, makakapagsampay ka. Yes, yeah. Bumili sa Gemini ng sampayan pero yung retractable, yung hinihila, imamount sa wall, i-drill, hihilahin para nakasabit. Okay? Yun ang interpretation niya doon sa sampayan. Kaya ka ngayon nagka-indecision kasi yung sampayan na binili mo ay mali. Hindi tama doon sa bahay ninyo or hindi kasya doon sa apartment nyo. Yes? Classic case ng Gemini. Okay? So, ang sabi sa iyo ng New Moon, take responsibility dun sa maling nabili mong sampayan. Yeah? Pero it doesn't mean na hihinto ka at magbibitin-bitin at mag-iisip ka kung isusuoli mo ba yung sampayan o bibili i-return at i-exchange mo dun sa sampayan na sinabi ng Queen of Swords here. Yeah? Kasi maraming trabaho na naman yung ginawa mo. Take responsibility on that. You made a decision. Okay? But it doesn't mean mag-i-stuck ka. Because there's opportunity. You need to prepare for a new sampayan. That's what it means here. Okay? Inano ko lang po, hinumor ko lang kayo because this can be heavy. Depende po yung sitwasyon. But you're dealing with Libra. Another balancing person also. Weighing scale, ikaw ay twin. Okay? Meron tayong personality pong ganyan. Pero si Gemini na nasa harapan ko, mali yung nabiling sampayan. Okay? So, ano ngayon yung long-term goal mo dun sa sampayan? Yes? Tignan natin. Give me one card. Ituloy natin yung storyboard. Iyakman niyo po yung situation dun sa buhay ninyo kasi inano ko lang yung sa sampayan. Yeah, that's the case. That's the case here. Kasi napagastos ka na dun sa sampayan. Okay, one blind spot. Give me one blind spot. One blind spot, one blind spot, one blind spot. Gemini. Yes, there is opportunity. Okay? Isulat mo lang yung long-term opportunity, yung goal mo pala. Long-term goal. And there's opportunities for growth. Yun ang January 18 message ng New Moon. Okay? Take advantage of that. Yeah? Okay. Blind spot, Gemini. Blind spot. Give me one card. Give me one card. 6 of Wands. Yes. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. No right or wrong sa decision mo, Gemini. Okay? Meron kang doubt. May doubt kasi yung twin ka. If you're dealing with justice, which is Libra, you're gonna get that fair equality na hinahanap mo, yung sampayan, pag ibinalik mo, sasabihin mo, mali po yung nabili kong sampayan, okay? Kasi nag-experiment ako. Ngayon, you're gonna win that victory because they will exchange that sampayan into something better. That's how it is, okay? Victory, 6 of Wands. If you are making a decision, kung ano man yung gagawin yung decision, ano man itong itinanim mo in 2026 or yung pinaplano mo, you're gonna win big. Winner ka dito. Yes? Okay, I saw the moon here. Okay, sandali pa. Ayusin ko yung camera. Okay, nakita mo yung moon dito? Yeah? Okay, wait that moon. Okay, I'm not so sure if this is I think this is a full moon. Wait January 3. Yes, wait January 3. Advanced reading po tayo. Okay, make that decision towards January 3. Okay, at ano pa to? Hindi pa tapos yung 2025. I'm doing this advanced reading po. Okay, make that decision. Yes, meron kang nakabitin na decision. Okay? Kung ano man iyon, you dealing with Libra, dalawa kayo magdedesisyon or dealing with halimbawa in-applyan mo, tapos may hinihintay ka, somebody is making a decision. Okay? Or kung ikaw yung magdedesisyon, if you want to make a decision to buy something, make a decision. Yes? Pag hindi ka nagdesisyon, it's also a decision. Yes? So, it will affect your outcome towards January 18. Kasi, yan ang sabi ng new moon, take responsibility. Mag-decision ka o hindi, it's also a decision. And either one of the decision will have a repercussion. So, you need to take responsibility. But wait until the full moon. Okay? So, ano ba yung decision na gagawin mo? That's the time na you're gonna have that clarity. Again, wala kang emosyon, disconnect mo. Ano naman to si Gemini itong nasa harapan ko, alam niya kung paano magdesisyon. Walang emosyon si Gemini minsan. Walang emosyon, practical siya. Practical si Gemini. isa sa isa po sa personality ng ano yan, Gemini. Okay, I just want to get some more validation. Okay. Kuha ako dito. Balik ako dito. Okay. I just want to get more validation. Okay. Gemini. New moon reading. Message for Gemini. Okay. Message for Gemini. Give me blind spot, Gemini. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. Yeah? Okay. Okay. Haba ng balasa natin. Kinuha mo rin yung card mo. Okay. So, the lover. The lover is Gemini. You have Gemini and you have Libra. Okay. May plano ba kayo magpakasal na sa isang taon? Okay. I think this is going deeper in terms of relationship. Yeah. I don't see fear. Meron bang fear? Maari, kasi nakahangman ka dito. Okay, but this is a major thing. Major shift and major thing. Yes? So, lahat po tayo mostly, maski na ako po. So, bagong taon, so reset, meron kang plano. Yes, meron tayong plano. Always set that intention palagi towards New Year. So, long-term goal, maaaring magpapakasal na sa Gemini and he wants to settle in. Nagbabalanse ka, hindi ka makapag-decide kasi malaking obligasyon yan. Responsibility, you have to take a lot of huge responsibility if you get married. Yes? Or if you're waiting for a decision na itinanim mo in the prior months. Yes? It's coming in your favor. Yun ang nasasabi ko. Because victory ka. Yes? If you're gonna make a decision, kung ikaw ang magdedesisyon, do that decision towards January 3, which is the full moon. Okay? Check your full moon reading also. Baka merong message doon. Okay? On the full moon, you're gonna ended up victory. Yes? Matatanggap mo kung ano yung wish fulfillment na hiningi mo. Yes? It's the reward. If you're gonna get married, if you will get married, itong Gemini na nasa harapan ko, congratulations. Because that also a very lucky and auspicious time for you to get married. Sabi ng new moon on January 18. Yes, you're gonna have that balance in terms of everything. Yes, because Gemini, this is your card, the lover. So, it's about partnership and yung blessing sa'yo, yung binili mong sampayan, papalitan na noong tindera na will give you that balance. Kung yun ang hinahanap mong sampayan na makapagpapatuyo ng damit mo, a simple example lang po yan, pero it will fulfill your needs. It will fulfill what you want. It will fulfill everything your heart's desire. Higher vibration, understanding yourself, at nandun yung sun with all the clarity. Yeah? Okay? So, magpapakape ka. Kung magpapakasal ka kay Justice, which is Libra, the two of you, we're gonna have a happy and a balanced life. That's how it is. May basbas na yung Queen of Swords. Sabi ng Queen of Swords, yeah, go ahead. The coast is clear. Yung sampayan na binili mo, papalitan. Magiging masaya ka. As simple as that. The decision is made and it's laid down clearly. You're moving to that victory, 6 of Wands. Wait for the new moon. Okay? So, i-check mo Gemini yung new moon. Full moon, sorry. Full moon po ito, full moon. Yung decision and the awarding is on the full moon of January 3. Yeah? Okay. So, ang reading ko po today is January 18 for the new moon. Okay? So, gusto kong i-align yung reading ko for this 2026, sa lahat ng sign, I will read the full moon and new moon and I will connect it for the whole year para merong may sequence yung buhay natin. Kasi preparation po ito. Preparation ang new moon 18 for long-term goal. Okay. Kuha pa ako ng isang I just want to get one blind spot. One blind spot. I-validate ko lang ito. This is a nice reading. Magpapakape ka. Magpapakape si Gemini. One more blind spot. And then I will get the outcome. One. Okay. May hesitation. Okay. May hesitation ka, Gemini. Bakit? Okay. Kaya ka nakahangman eh. Hindi ko na i-deep dive. Why you having hesitation? Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. See? Okay. Okay. Okay, this is not for everybody. Okay, there's somebody na yung justice na hinahanap, it's not about partnership, it's about separation. Okay? There's an emotional disconnect na kung cycle po tayo, kung merong mga tao na na-complete yung cycle na relationship na it doesn't work out and then they want to separate na makapagpapasaya sa kanila, It's choice. It's ano po yan, free will po. Okay? So, whoever is the Gemini who's undergoing an emotional disconnect, you will find also a new lover. Okay? A new partnership. Maaring sa trabaho, hindi ka na masaya doon, iiwanan mo na, and you're gonna win it big as well. Yes? Winner to si Gemini. Kung ano man yung situation, noong separation, you're gonna ended up victory. That's how it is. You manifest it and you wait until the full moon on January 3. Yes? So, yung iba naman po, pwedeng to plant your intention, long-term goal towards the full moon hanggang new moon, January 18. Full moon, January 3, the new moon, January 18. Plan that intention, you're gonna ended up victory as well. New boyfriend, new spouse, and you can get married. May blessing, the coast is clear, Queen of Swords. Okay? If that's indecision is coming from itong hurting na ito. Kasi may disconnect emotionally. Hindi ka na masaya doon. So, you're gonna live and separate. You're gonna win as well. It's an amicable settlement. Yeah? Ito yung ito yung divorce and separation. Yeah? Okay. So, yun ang dalawang Gemini na nakita ko rito. Okay, yung isa ay nasaktan. Okay. So, kuha pa ako na isa. I just want to see the outcome. Meron kasi, gusto sabihin niya na merong dalawang Gemini na nasa harapan ko. Okay. Okay. One more card. One more card for Gemini. Give me one more last blind spot. One more blind spot. Blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. Gemini. Gemini. Hindi sa yan. Yeah, okay. Okay. Are you dealing with Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius? Okay? Merong advice sa'yo. Okay, may advice sa'yo. Okay. Okay. Pipick upin ko siya because of this victory. Okay? Yung second Gemini is undergoing separation. Yes? Okay. Both of this Gemini, isa lang sinasabi noong Queen of Wands sa inyo. Okay? You take ownership, yung responsibility, at yung definition on ano ba yung passion na would lead me to that happiness that I want towards January 2026. Yes? So, magician po yung yung Queen of Wands. Very passionate, kaya naka-red siya. Okay? Leo, fire sign, very passionate. Or if you're dealing with Leo, you're gonna meet a new Leo if you're looking for that relationship. Yeah? Or si Leo, yung hihiwalayan nyo, ay depende po yan sa sitwasyon. Okay? However, itong Gemini na nasa harapan ko, I repeat it again, inside of you, you can transform yung situation nyo into victory because you just need to own that responsibility. Okay? Yung decision na gagawin nyo, there is no right or wrong. Yes? Separation. If you want to separate, that's your decision. You're gonna get that justice and you're gonna find a new partnership kung yan ang hinahanap ninyo. Yung sa Gemini na if you want to get that relationship to the next level, magsasama na kayo, magpapakasal, yes, you're gonna ended up victory as well because that relationship will become more stronger and more connection and more energy, more hawak mo yung Ace of Wands dito eh. Queen of Wands is a magician as well. You can turn that magic inside of you. That's how it is as well na nakikita ko rito. Okay? Change your perspective kasi yung sunflower na ito, hindi siya mamumulaklak kung hindi siya didiligan at hindi siya ipupunla. Yes? So, dual subliminal meaning, kung hindi kayo magkaanak, and then you just keep on growing and growing and trying until na makuha mo yung opportunity na yung bulaklak ay mamumulaklak at lalago. Okay? This is about fertility as well na nakikita ko rito. Same goes with the relationship. So, plant that intention, i-define mo towards January 18, yung goal setting mo. Victory is still yours to win. Okay? So, magpapakabi ka, Gemini, na nasa harapan ko. Okay? Claim that. Claim that passion and the Ace of Wands, which is hawak mo na rin dito sa Six of Wands. Okay? That's how you gonna expand yung opportunities and also preparation for your own growth. Okay? So, it's within you. It's inside you, Gemini. Okay? Leo is also your element. I can see. Or you're dealing with Leo. Very passionate. Yun ang magbibigay sa'yo ng motivation to push forward. Yeah? Okay. And achieve your dream. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-hangman. Hindi mo na kailangan wishy-washy. So, new moon, January 18. Moon oracle. One card lang para sa kaibigan nating Gemini. One moon oracle. Isa lang po, isa lang. Oh, dalawang ibinigay. Basahin natin. Oh, see? May Aries ka. Oh, sabi ko sa iyo Remain sensitive to others to avoid confrontation. Yeah? Oh, you have Aries placement. Okay? Medyo mainit. Okay? So, it's either meron ka makikitang Aries or you're dealing with Aries o si Aries ay gusto mo nang i-separate. Yeah? Depende po yan sa situation natin sa buhay. Yes, okay. Sabi dito, the path had been cleared for you to make a change that previously seemed unachievable. Sabi nung, prince na frog. Okay? Ano yan? New opportunity, new partnership. If you're looking for a new love, sabi ko nga, you're gonna find a new one. You can separate. There's no problem. Decision po yan. You will dealing with Libra, you're gonna find happiness and you're gonna find that balance. Make a decision. Take responsibility of your decision because somebody else will. Opo, talagang ganun po yan. Kung hindi ikaw ang magdedesisyon, may ibang magdedesisyon. That's what life is all about. But at the end of the day, ito lang masasabi ko sa iyo, Gemini. Okay, wait for that full moon, you're gonna end up victory. Related sa trabaho, related sa relationship, related sa decision. Okay, there's no right or wrong. You need to take responsibility. Hawak mo yung Ace of Wands, victory ka. Six of Wands. Yeah? Okay, wonderful reading. So, yes, new moon, January 18, 2026. So, hope you enjoy, Gemini. Salamat po.